Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Port Colborne local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring a cheap Port Colborne moving company for your local or long-distance move makes a lot of sense. 3 Movers is an affordable and trustworthy moving company. We know how to make sure your relocation is done without all the stress. Our team will take care of all the moving services you need, including packing if you want. Our team of long-distance movers knows how to get you where you need to go without so much of a struggle. We offer packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Our team of movers will make sure you get the relocation you desire. We know how to move you 100 miles, 500 miles, or even 2,000 miles away with ease. When you're ready to handle a local move, you might not think you need to hire a Canada moving company. However, without professional movers, you might struggle to get everything loaded and moved. It can even cause you to become injured. 3 Movers will do all the heavy lifting for you and make sure you get to where you need to go faster. Our streamlined process can get you moved in hours instead of days. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Port Colborne moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.